Miele Perfect GlassCare, the gentle way to clean high-quality stemware. Glass is a sensitive material with special needs. Besides the selected temperature, which should be no more than 55 degrees Celsius, water hardness has the biggest impact on cleaning results. Although soft water achieves the best cleaning results, it can corrode the surface of glasses. Hard water is gentle on glass, but contains large amounts of magnesium and calcium, which may cause limescale and stains. Only well-balanced water can guarantee perfect results. It's therefore all the more important that a dishwasher is able to adjust water hardness with precision. That's why Miele developed its patented Perfect GlassCare system. The Perfect GlassCare valve provides an ideal blend of soft and hard water. During the first water intake cycle, the valve is closed. Water is passed through the water softener. Here, calcium and magnesium are removed and replaced with sodium, which doesn't leave stains on glassware. Next, the water softener delivers soft water into the cabinet. To prevent the water from becoming too soft, the Perfect GlassCare valve opens and allows a proportion of the water to bypass the softener. This unsoftened tap water enters through the side of the cabinet and blends with the soft water. This results in water with just the right mineral content entering the cabinet. The quantity of untreated tap water added to the softened water is determined by the wash cycle and the hardness of the raw water. This precise method of controlling water hardness is patented and unique. Miele Perfect GlassCare, the gentle way to clean high-quality stemware.